Welcome friends to this video. Today I will show with you how to deposit money in Polymarket. So friends, follow me in this guide. Let's get started. First, go to Google, search for Polymarket. This is the keyword as you can see here. When you click the first result here, you will see this page. Log in your accounts and then go to deposit. When you see deposit, click deposit with card, and you can also deposit with PayPal. If you want to deposit with card, just click the cards, choose your amount you want to deposit, and then click this more option. You see this MonPay. Choose the MonPay in this case. After that, choose the currency euro, for example, and then click continue. After that, you will redirect it to MonPay and then complete the process. If you want to withdraw deposit through PayPal, click PayPal and then just await to loading a gateway Web3. After that, log in with your PayPal accounts, write your email of MonPay, and then click deposit. If you want to, as I say with PayPal, click on PayPal, and also you can connect wallet, Coinbase, and then connect your Coinbase, and then you can deposit. This is how you can do actually. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this